Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaytanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Al-Anaam, إني وجهت وجهي للذي فطر السماوات والأرض حنيفا وما أنا من المشركين. Translation: Indeed, I have turned my face toward Him who has created the heavens and earth as upright, true monotheist, and I am not of the polytheists who associate others with Allah. Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam clearly proved with his reasoning to the people who used to worship the stars that the stars are the creation of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and the stars are following all the commands of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. They do not have anything of their own, and they do exactly how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala asks them to do, and they must not be worshipped. And after that, he declared that my complete worship is towards the one and the only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He owns everything in the universe. He has created everything in the universe. All the stars rise and they set with the commands of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and the creation is not worthy of worship. Only the creator is worthy of worship, and I have turned my face towards Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and I do not do any shirk or association with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, which is wrong if somebody is reasoning in his mind, and it is wrong if somebody is thinking with his heart, and the heart will testify that the creator should be worshipped, not the creation. He said that I have turned my face towards Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and turned my face away from all the things that you associate with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the creator, and I am the 100% true monotheist. I do not associate anyone with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and I am not among the polytheists who associate others with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran and make us 100% steadfast on Tawheed. Ameen. Wa akhiru dawana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.